So Alex showed up at our door, and he started the conversation, and then we got into the details of how this thing works, and that's how we met.
There were other companies. We got quotes from other companies as well, and Everlast gave us the best deals.
I think I got in contact with 5 other companies, and I got quotes from 3 more.
They were very aggressive. They were very pushy. And whenever I talked to one of them and I said, okay, I'm going to think about it, I'm going to talk over about this deal with my husband, they were so pushy. They wouldn't just let go and let me talk it over with Reza. I didn't like that at all.
One thing that I would add is they wouldn't be more open on the details. So they wouldn't provide the information unless I had done some research on it and I had specifically asked the question.
You were so friendly, very approachable. You were knowledgeable about everything. Whatever we asked, you gave us an answer with great details, and in the whole process, you were very friendly.
And I'm going to add to that. Yes, I really like that you were friendly and approachable and not defensive, both with the price matching and also the material. And whatever that we wanted, we did our research and we brought it to Alex's attention. You led us to shop around to get all the information that we needed, and if you had any questions, you would answer. There was a little bit of a hesitation just because of the price tag, but after you think about it and after you crunch the numbers, I think it made sense for us to move forward. Actually, I would say I was not. Not that because it wasn't comparable, but because that's what I had found after doing my research. And I think if it comes out matching what I had researched for, I think that's good. It's not like that there was a promise that I didn't receive, so I would be satisfied with it.
The whole process went very smoothly. Through the whole process, Everlast was here to comfort us and give details about what is going on.
We had to leave the country for a trip. We went out of the country and we came back and the panels were installed. I think first of all, the financial aspect of it, the saving that you get over time. We have been slowly phasing out all our gas-powered equipment and replacing them with electrical ones. The price match was the biggest factor, and also environmentally. Now, if you are about to use more energy, you are a little bit more comfortable. After having that, I have added landscaping lights, electrical fireplaces, and I'm a little bit more comfortable using them. We have developed this close relationship with Alex, and since we have installed it for, I think, about 5 months ago, every time that I have a question, I ask him, and he immediately responds with the resources that I need. I think the biggest factor for me was all the personnel that I dealt with Everlast. They were all approachable, and this is a huge factor, at least for me, because this is a very long investment, and you want to make sure that there are always people responding to your needs that you need down the road. I would definitely recommend it to my friends, and some of my friends have been asking and inquiring about how solar is working, and I have always recommended Everlast to them.